Hey there, so let me show you how does our app ShortsZY works. So once you extract the folders from the members area, you download the folder and extract it, then you will see this exe file called app. Alright, and then from the other download, you have to download the other folder from the members area, and then you will see other file called the web driver. So make sure you paste the web driver here just with the app, only then it will be able to work. Okay, so now let me quickly show you how you can create shorts from any keyword, like as simple as possible. Okay, so double click on the app. Now it will open a command prompt like this. You don't need to do anything, just wait for a while. App is initializing, it's initiating the process. Okay, so after a while it will open an index file like this. So this is ShortsZY and it is ready to go. Alright, so we have to create something, we have to create a short on something. So what you can do is you can just go ahead and enter the search term. For example, let me enter something. I'm gonna type here and let's say we go with Bill Gates. Alright, and then number of images decide the length of your video. So 3 is the minimum and 15 is the maximum. So make sure you choose whatever duration you like. I like somewhere around 9 or 10 images, so the video will come around 25 to 30 seconds. Let's go with 10. And then overlay text is the text that will be over the video. It should be a call to action. For example, you can say check comment for link, something 3-4 words, because if you gonna extend it, then it will not fit perfectly on the video. So finally, the last option is called the mp3 file. Like, you can choose your background music of short. So you can simply click on choose file, and then you can go ahead and choose an mp3 file, any file that you like. In case if you don't want to choose, that's okay. In that case it will use a default background file. So once you're done, you just go ahead and click on create video. So for a while you will see creating video. So what it's actually doing is, you can see on this, this is called a command prompt. You can see on this. So right now the script is going to Google and it is getting the images. It is fetching the images based on the keyword. Our keyword is Bill Gates, so let's see what it's gonna do. And because the number of images are higher, so you can see like 0, 1, 2, 3. This is like a number of images it's getting from the Google to make a video for you. Okay, and so the question is what you can actually do with this. What I suggest you is to create multiple YouTube channels on different topics like history, science, crypto, whatever interests you, and then start posting shorts, like maybe like 6-7 shorts every day to the channel. So now we have already got the images and it has already taken the mp3 file and it's creating the video now. You can see the process here, but again this is totally optional. If you're on this screen, the other screen, that's totally fine. I just wanted to show you what the script actually does. So it is using all those images and background and the music. It is cutting off the mp3 to matches with the duration of the video. Alright, and then it is merging everything, creating a video, then it will resize it into the acceptable YouTube shorts format. You can use the same video for TikTok, YouTube, and even for Facebook Reels. So it's like 3 in 1. I call it ShortsZY because I love YouTube shorts, but of course you can upload the video into in the 3 platform. And I will also show you an amazing website. So once you upload this video on YouTube, then you can simply repurpose the video to go to different platforms, and it just take like a matter of a minute to set it up. So this way your every short will be available on multiple platforms, and of course which means you get more traffic, you get more people to subscribe to your channel. Okay, so a little bit more. In case if something doesn't work, please feel free to get back to me, email me, because every computer is different. So it will work fine in like 99% of computers on Windows, but maybe in some of them there will be some issues. We can sort it out. And of course, if you're a Mac user, you use MacBook or something, then you can run the software on a simple VPS from you can take it from Amazon, or you can get a cheap one for like $7-8 a month. So this is like a Windows script. You're gonna work on the Windows computer only. Okay, so a little bit more and our shot will be ready. It's 95% done, 96, 7, and boom, it's completed. So now the question is, where can you find your shot? If you click on the download video, you will see an error, because of course I am running it on the local computer. So what you have to do is, there are two ways. First of all, you can go to your address bar and delete it till uploads, like this. Alright, and then you can hit enter. In case if it doesn't work like this, because sometimes it happens, then there are other simpler ways. You can actually go to the search and type %temp%. I will write it down in the video, and here is the folder with the video. So I made it in a way, you can see the Bill Gates. You can find your folder here. The video will always be with the name of the search term. And now let us just run the video. Open with VLC, and here we go. Your video is ready to go, and you can see the text is here, and the background music is, it might not be audible on the computer right now, but the background music is there, it's running, and the video duration is 30 seconds. It should be under 60 seconds, and you can see the images are stretched up, but that's you don't need to worry about it. When you upload it on youtube.com, then the video will look totally fine. So our video is ready. Same way, it's so fast, you can just close it and go back, refresh the page once more, enter any other search term. Again, here, like if you go with Elon Musk and number of images, let's go with something again like 10, 11, 10, let's go with 10, and let me put a term again, something like he is amazing. I mean, you need to choose the text so you can send people to your comment, because generally you should have a link in the first comment. This way YouTube will not flag your video. Alright, and if you don't choose the MP3, that's totally fine. Again, you just click on create video, and it will automatically take the MP3 file. Let me show you what's happening in the background again. So once more, our script is going to Google, looking for Elon Musk. So if you want to create multiple videos on the same niche, then all you have to do is just increase the keyword length. Like for example, you can go with Elon Musk companies, Elon Musk projects, Elon Musk something, because if you use the same keyword, it will get the same images from Google. But if you use a different keyword, then it will have a similar video, but of course with the new images. Alright, so it has found 10 images already, and now it is saving everything. That's so fast, and now it is converting it again. MP3 is done, and it's creating the video once more. Let me just show you this video also one more time, so you can know the process, where to find the video. Okay, let me just go back here, and meanwhile the button will not be clickable. This create video button will not be clickable because the video is generating. Even if you don't want to see the black screen, the command prompt back, that's okay. You can just leave it like this. But I like to see it because this way I know what's happening here. Okay, we are at 11%, 12%. It's just easier to see what's happening, like how long will it take to create a video. So now imagine you can use like literally any search term to create a video, and the script is created in such a way that it will be so lightweight on your computer. It will not take many resources, so even if you have a computer with a minimal configuration, you can run it without problem. At the same time, you can delete the temp file, the folder I've shown you. You can delete it whenever you want, every day, because once you have this video on your YouTube, I'm sure you won't be needing it again. So my purpose as a developer is always to keep the computer clean and uncluttered. So this is why I send all the video to the temporary files. Alright, so let me see how much time is left. We are 52% done. Awesome. And for the MP3 guys, just make sure you take any copyright free music MP3. There are many websites like Pixelbay. As a free one you can take MP3s, or if you want a paid one, then there's like the numbers are endless. You can go with the Envato Elements, you can go with the, there are many websites. You just type like free MP3 on the Google and get it done. Okay, again the strategy is either you can create multiple channels just covering one niche as a broad, like technology. Again, my favorite is crypto, which is hot right now. And then you can go with artificial intelligence, because these videos have high CPM, and once your channel is monetized, you can actually, will get a good ads on the YouTube Shorts. And also you will gain a lot of subscribers across the multiple platform, in TikTok, Reels, Shorts, everywhere, because the same video works everywhere. Okay, we are almost done. 98, 99 and 100%. Here we go. The video is ready. Again, sometimes I don't know, right now it's not working. Sometimes you just delete this and it used to work like this, but for now it's not working. So again, you will go to the search in the bottom screen and type %TEMP% and click enter. And in the same folder, you can see it here, you open it, and this time let's find the Elon Musk. You can see it's here, Elon Musk, and this is the video. So let me show you the video one more time, what kind of video it created. Open with VLC. Here we go. So the video is here and it's again ready. So this way, again, you can create as many videos as you want. There is literally no limit to it, and as you can see, it takes like probably a minute to create a video. So you can give it to your freelancer, your virtual assistant or someone, and make sure you create many YouTube channels, different TikTok channels pointing to a specific niche. So this way you can get the most traffic. And this is done, and we are done with the video. Okay, and one more thing, just make sure you never close this window while the video is making, because if you close it, it will also close the desktop. It will close this window also. Alright, so that's what. It's pretty simple. If you face any problem, then let me know and I'm gonna help you out. So this is ShortsZY, and we will make sure we'll keep on uploading new things. And if you have checked my other script called ShortsZY, then you can actually send this video automatically to YouTube. Alright, cool. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, then feel free to let me know. Bye bye.